This is Ahmed from Hellamaid. I'm calling to let you know that we'd love to offer you a free deep cleaning to help you and your daughters live in a clean environment.
Oh my God, that'd be wonderful.
So my husband was diagnosed with a terminal form of cancer in October 2020 and went through a protracted battle that came to an end in February of this year. And having, being a young family and having young kids and being the primary caregiver for him, there was a lot of things that had to give in order to meet all those needs, and quite frankly, keeping up with house cleaning was one of those. And being on my own now with the kids after he's gone, it has been a lot. This really huge help was just to take something massive and at times what feels insurmountable off my plate and make it easier to focus on the things that really matter.
At Hellamaid, we're more than just a cleaning service. We believe in community. We're honored to help those in need and bring a little bit of light into their lives. Together, we can make a difference. Stay strong, stay positive, and don't forget to help one another. Peace.